Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make a Roblox key system. First, understand that a key system provides controlled access to specific game content or features. It typically involves generating unique codes, distributing them, and then validating them when a player attempts to enter. This enhances security and allows for exclusive access, like for beta testers or special events. We'll cover the essential components needed for a robust system. On the server side, you'll generate unique keys, perhaps a string of 16 alphanumeric characters, ensuring each is distinct. Store these securely in a Roblox data store, associating them with their status, like active or used. When a player submits a key, your server script will query the data store to verify its existence and validity, preventing unauthorized access to your exclusive content. For the client side, design a user-friendly interface, perhaps a simple text box and a submit button where players can input their unique key. When the player clicks submit, the client sends this key to the server for verification. The server then responds, either granting access to the protected content or displaying a message indicating an invalid or already used key. This interaction should feel seamless. To enhance your system, consider implementing key expiration, perhaps after 24 hours, or making keys single-use. Robust logging is crucial. Track every key validation attempt, noting the player and outcome. This helps identify suspicious activity. Also, implement rate limiting on key validation requests, allowing only a few attempts per minute from a single player to prevent brute force attacks and maintain system integrity.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.